back with another wig review. I have a bunch of wigs that I need to review, so I'm just gonna keep it pushing. I definitely want to, at some point, have a like a schedule, but for right now, I just feel like, I mean, I'm not gonna put these out. Probably gonna put these out every other day or every day, just because I'm in quarantine, have nothing else to do. Um, but eventually, I want to have a schedule. So definitely definitely will be on a schedule soon, but for now I'm just kind of winging it. But anyways, so I am doing a wig review on this lovely wig right here. It is a Janet Collection melt wig, or let me see what it says. Yeah, it is melt. It's a Janet Collection melt wig. It is in a number two, and it is the style is D E E. Yeah, Dee. So this is Miss D. Um, I absolutely love this wig. I think this wig is absolutely amazing. It wasn't that expensive. Nor the original price is $37.94. I had a coupon. I got it from SoGoodBB.com, and I got this wig for $32.25. So I got it at a steal. But this is a gorgeous, gorgeous wig. Actually, the way you're seeing it, it has been through a couple of wears. It has been through some brush outs. It so it's kind of been it's been through it, and I cut it. If you see this right now, I'm using my back camera, so I don't know exactly what this looks like. I'm gonna get better, y'all, but for now this is all kind of winging it. I hope I'm not showing too much of my goodies right now, but anyways, this wig is pretty long, and you probably would think, oh, this looks the same length as a stock card. No, I cut a good 4 inches, maybe even more off this wig. Not that it didn't look good long. I want to buy another one and keep that one long, because I just really love this wig. I mean, I feel like I could get 4 of these wigs and just be good for life whenever I want big curly hair, because I don't always want big curly hair. Sometimes I usually like my curly units to look a little bit more natural, but for those times where you just want gorgeous, just big curly hair, I feel like this wig is it. It's not an everyday wig, in my opinion. Really, I guess it would depend on the shape of your face. It's not an everyday wig for me because I have a very small face, but for some people, this might be an everyday wig. But for me, I just don't, it's not an everyday wig for me, but it's a great summer wig. It's just a great wig when you're just like, ooh, that outfit would look so cute with like just some big curly hair. So I just absolutely love this wig. It's one of my favorite wigs so far in 2020, definitely. But like I said, not everyday wig in my opinion. You know, do what you want. But this wig is just a nice little cute summer wig. Definitely didn't do anything to this wig, just plopped it right on. I did put a little bit of, which it didn't stay, but I did put like a little bit of glaze, QC glaze or whatever, on the edge right here. I didn't even do it on this one. I like the longer baby hairs. You could really go in there and do something, but I think the longer baby hairs look cute on me personally. So I just kind of like just kind of have them out a little bit, but I like the longer baby hairs. So I just kind of I just plopped this wig on. Didn't do anything special. Like I said, I am part of the lazy girl hair method. Don't like to do too much to wigs. I'll put a little powder in the part. I did put a little bit of powder in this part, and I think I sprayed it with some leg spray, and that's about it. So that's it. Um, what I like about this wig too is if you wanted to do like an updo or something, it has baby hairs in the back of it. This wig is a little too big for me, so it wouldn't. So I'd have to kind of like do something, but please don't judge me, y'all. Please don't. But hopefully you guys can kind of see that there is like some little baby hairs on the back here. So what you could do is you could take a little scarf and tie it up and just do like something kind of cute or fun or funky, you know, or you could just put it in like a high little ponytail or even like a low little ponytail. You could definitely do it in a little ponytail. I definitely like that look. But yeah, I just think this is a really nice wig and it's a little versatile as well. So definitely, definitely love this wig. I you could cut it to frame your face and just make it be more you. But this is just to me a really nice wig, and it's beginner friendly because it's not a full frontal. So it's definitely beginner friendly, and for the price, you cannot go wrong. I mean, there are some wig companies that sell this for a little bit more expensive than So Good BB, and I don't know, maybe So Good BB is selling it more expensive now too. But I just know that I got this wig for $32, so it is what it is. So yeah, this is it for my little review. Definitely like, rate, subscribe, um, hit the notification bell, and that's it. Bye, guys.